Hello everyone. Today we'll be going to the next problem set of week 0, that is making faces. Let's see what it is asking from us. So we understood what we are supposed to do. Let us code another file, that is faces.py. faces.py. Remember to use the same name as given by the CS50 course, because it will help us to submit our code. Okay, so we have created this, and def, what was the name of the convert, and they asked us to accept a string input, the text, and then converting this text into the emoticons. Okay, so how will we able to do that? Let us see. Hello. Okay, from the prompts given, it is clear that there is only two cases: either it is a slightly smiling face or slightly sad face. So I will be using just if and else conditions. Okay, so for I in text, it will iterate over every single letter of the text, and then I see if no, I want to iterate over every single word, not the letter. Okay, so there is another option, that is the text is equal to text dot as split by the spaces. It will split my text and make it a list, and then store it in the text. Then now I will be iterating over the text for I in text. Now it will iterate over every single word of the text. Okay, so if I is equal to this face, the smiling face, then ith place of the text should be replaced by text ith is equal to text dot replace this one to smiling face. The sad face, then it should be replacing this with the slightly sad face, and after doing all of these things, return text, return this dot join text. What this function will do, it will just see let me write it over here. So we have originally, suppose we have originally this text, that my name is Anubhav. Okay, after this line, my text will be changed to this one: my name is Anubhav. Okay, so by this I can iterate over any single word of this list, and after executing this line, it will add both the element, and in between there will be a single no space. So let's just see what will be the output of this code. And then I was asked to create a main function, and is it requiring anything? Let's see. um, Run a function called main that prompts the user for input. Okay. Oh, so it is not asking for anything. I am just prompting for the user. Text 2. For the sake of clarity, I'm just using a different kind of name. You can use the same name, no issue, but I'm using a different name. Input the text, and after that what I'm supposed to do, call the convert function. Oh, I didn't use the t. Convert and give it this function. Convert this answer. It will put answer and oh sorry, it will create an answer and put it into my answer variable, and this variable I am going to print answer. Okay, and do not forget to call the main function. None of the lines will be executed, only this file will be executed, and if this line is executed, then this whole process will be executed. And if the and since the convert line has to be executed, so this whole lines are executed. Okay, so this is the chronology of executing every single line of my file. So let's just run this file by ourselves. My name is Anubhav. So my name is Anubhav. So it will be great if I use a space here. My name is Anubhav. Okay, so this is good, and I am supposed to use some smileys. My name this and that. Okay, so there is an error. List object cannot be replaced. Okay. So we are supposed to use the different one, that is this one. Text ith place of the text has to be replaced by this emoji. Okay, see, and same goes with the this one. Goes with slightly sad face. Now it is clear. Let's see. Again the same. What is it saying? List indices must be integer or slices, not string. Okay. So this is just the word, not the index of this. Okay, so in that case, I am supposed to range I am supposed to use the range function. Range the length of the text. So if the number of words in my text is 4, so this loop will go 4 times. Okay, so if I'm not supposed to say if the ith place of the text is equal to this, then the ith place of the text should be replaced by this, and if ith place of the text is equal to this, then it should be replaced by this. Okay, now it is very much clear. Let's just run this code by ourselves. this and this, and here our answer is correct. Okay, let's just test our whole program. So this was the mistake. See, I am just explaining you how you can solve any problems as a user, as the first one to approach this question. So I am not here to just come over the video and explain you every correct text, every correct uses of the function. I am also explaining you how you can uh, convert your mistakes to your perfections. Okay, so this was all for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.